Alright, so here's a video that I promised you that I'm going to do in regards to that roof that you wanted to create. So we're going to create an arced roof here, a larger arc over here, or perhaps a smaller arc here, followed by a larger arc at the back. Alright, so I've just created 4 simple walls here, and the reason why I want these walls is because I need to generate a work plane in order to draw those arcs. Okay, so we're going to start by simply going to my Massing and Site tab, and I'll go to In Place Mass. Okay, so the mass that I'm going to create, I'm going to call it Roof. I'll click OK, and I'll click on Show to make sure that you see where the work plane is. I'm going to have to set my first work plane to the front here. So I'm going to click Set, and I'll select, make sure you select that front work plane. Here we go. Alright, so let's use our sketch tools here. Let's start with an arc. And I'll simply start the arc there, finish the arc there, give it a radius, and go to my line tool and simply finish it off by drawing a line to here. Alright, I'll press Escape. I'm going to click on Set, and I'm going to set my other work plane, okay, as the exterior wall back here. There we go. Oop. Let me make sure that I'm setting the proper work plane. Right there. Okay. Now I'm going to go and draw my other arc. I'll click there, make it larger now, like that. Go into my line tool and finish it off right there. Alright, I'll press Escape. Now what I want you to do is I want you now to click on Modify. I'm going to get you to select both this finished loop and this finished loop. I'm going to click on to create form, and I'm going to create a solid form, and there we go. You could see my my objects right there. I'm going to click on Finish Mass, and you could see my object right there. Okay, if I orbit around, okay, you can see what it looks like. Alright, now the next step after you create that mass is simply, I'm going to change my, no, you know what, I'll leave it as shaded. Okay, so there's my mass at the top there. Okay, it's somewhat see-through. I'm going to now go to my Massing and Site, and I'm going to add a roof to it. So I'm going to click on Roof. I'm going to choose the type of roof that I want. Maybe I just want this wood rafters, or you could choose generic and then make your own assembly up. But I'm going to choose this one here. Okay, and I'm simply going to select the face of this object. Alright, once I'm done clicking onto that face, I'm going to click Create Roof, and you can see my roof structure has now been created. Okay, there we go. Alright, now let's view this in a realistic view. Let's see what that looks like. Alright. Okay, looks like there's not very much materials on this. Okay, that's fine. We'll leave it at that. And then the last step, what I might want to do is simply turn off my mass form. Alright, so there we go. You can actually see there's my tiles right there. Alright, so that is how you create adding a mass model and then adding a roof to it.